Takes off.
Okay, okay. Can I zoom in?
It's taking off.
Whoops.
What are you doing?
Sorry. Yeah.
He's cleaning the glass.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Michael.
Okay, hold on. Take it easy.
It's almost gone.
Yeah, I'm taping.
Oh, you're
Taping it, yeah. Very cool. Yeah, they're going to hear us.
Wow, we saw it pass right by us.
Yeah, I'm going to have to take the audio off the tape. They're going to think I'm an idiot. Yeah, there it is. Wow. Very cool.
And it's so quiet.
Yeah. Yeah.
You could go up because of the intersection. Just for right here. Oh, but you can't see it.
Yeah. Oh, you might see it go to the crossing. We can always go to the crossing. Amazing, huh?
Oh, you got the first glimpse of it, Michael.
Yeah, this is 60 years in the making. Yeah. There hasn't been trains in here since 1953. I can go up to this is the
you know what, Michael? You'll get a ticket if a cop sees you.
Okay.
Okay, pull up right here. Train's going, Michael.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, you're still taping, right?
Yeah.
Okay, stop.
There it goes. 60 years in the making. West LA, Mabel. There it goes. Beautiful.
Test train.
Just beautiful test train at Military Avenue.
Sunday, December
An
6th.
exposition. Sunday, December 6th.
2015.
2015. A day which will live in celebration for West LA commuters.